Hello, my people. Good morning. How are you and how was your night? Happy Sunday. This morning, I will be teaching you how to use onion to cure hiccup. Please, if you want to know much about this, subscribe for my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Add me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 090 580 10937. Please subscribe. If you care about me, if you love me, if you adore me, please subscribe. Share my video, and God bless you, my people. I love you people so much. Please share my video. I am begging all of you. Share my video. Please, please, my darling. I will teach you very, very well how to use this onion to treat high blood pressure as well and hiccup. Trust me. Thank you. Bye.